Okay, my name's Steve Harrison. I'm lecturing in accounting here at Hastings College, and I'm just going to tell you a little bit about what the course is and what you will learn during your accounting A-level course. So we start with accounting being the language of business. It's the language used by all businesses, and everything relates back to money. So within accounting, you're not only going to learn about money, but you're going to develop a lot of really useful skills. And those are skills that are totally transferable across most of your other subjects. So I'll start with looking at the data skills. You're going to have to deal with a lot of data. So we work in numbers, but we don't just plot numbers, we don't just draw them, write them down. We have to analyse numbers. So those skills are skills of analysis, skills of data analysis. You'll have statistical information to do. I'm not saying it's heavily maths based, but you do need to be confident with your numbers. We look at everyday accounting. We look at how money is spent, what you spend it on, how well you can invest money, where you see money all around us. It is an everyday happening. That's what makes accounting really interesting. It's just not a set of numbers. As an accountant, you would look at the operations of a business, you'll look at the sales, you'll look at the trends over time, you'll look at costing, you'll try and save the company money with costs, you'll try and save their costs, you'll look at their revenues, and at the end of all that you'll talk to your clients and you'll provide some client feedback. So that's really what you're going to be doing. Now on the course we have to learn various aspects of accounting. We can't learn it all on a 2-year course. So the course itself we do is the standard AQA course, and it's split up into 18 units. Now those units are done over 2 years, so essentially we're doing 9 units per year. And we do everything from an introduction, what does an accountant do, we do double entry bookkeeping, and then we move that on to doing sole trader accounts, doing limited company accounts, and ultimately you will know how to prepare a set of accounts. Once we've done that in the first year, we move you on to costing. So we go more into the management accounting side and look at how a business costs itself, how it costs itself to make a profit. So it really is the language of business. Okay, so our students after completing the course would go on to a whole range of courses, often to university, but sometimes into apprenticeships. When they go on to university, it is really a whole range of courses. Some will do business and finance, some will do accounting and finance. One last year did straightforward accounting that we had. It really is a range. Some just stick with maths, some use it as part of their science degrees that they go on to study. So because it has such a wide range of skills, it is a wide range of subject options at the end. You will need to be confident in maths, so we do ask for a 6 in maths and that you've got at least a 4 in English and the standard entry qualifications for A-levels. You will be assessed on the course with 2 exams at the end. Both of those exams are 3-hour papers, and that covers the whole course. Typically accounting has classes of 10 to 15 students, so relatively small classes, enough to be able to interact with each other, but not too many that you get lost. In travelling to Station Plaza, it's made very easy because the college campus is right next door to the train station and to the bus station, so wherever you're coming from, it's very easy to access it. We're right in the middle of town. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any more questions, I look forward to receiving those. Contact us at any point. I look forward to seeing you on next year's course. Good luck with your GCSEs, and hope to see you next September. Bye for now.